Hello everyone. So, I think I finally figured it out. I was doing some troubleshooting trying to figure it out, and I actually pulled my other D1 apart just to kind of look at the parts and make sure I had them correct. I was assuming that the teeth pulley were the same ones that I had, which were the 20 teeth pulleys, and when I pulled it apart, I kind of started comparing, and I noticed they are not. Even though they look the same, they're a little bit different. These are 16 teeth pulleys, and that explains a whole lot as to why it was doing an oval shape, because it was traveling a lot more than it should have. So I've ordered some of these. I only had one of these on hand. So I ordered some of these, and they'll be in tomorrow, and maybe we can get this thing together and actually do a test, and hopefully it works. And if it does, everything will be released, all the files, everything that I've come across, what you need to order. I originally thought the stepper motor wasn't working, but I realize now it's the pulley that was the issue. So this stepper motor should be fine. You can order those, they're like 17 bucks where I got them from, and they're a little bit wider, so you might need to grind down a little bit, or just make this rod a little bit smaller. But yeah, I'm definitely kind of excited to get this going. Hopefully we got a working machine, and then we can do some other things. Now I moved it over here to this bench because this is where it's more than likely gonna live, because of the computer being over here and everything. So I just wanted to be in a space where it would be when I finally put it back together. I've got some feet that I'm gonna print out for it and make them work, but I just wanted to get it put together and test it out first and make sure it's working, so that way I can design the feet accordingly. But yeah, all right. Hope you guys have a good one, and let's go ahead and get this working.